Hi again. So in this video, I'll explain to you how to measure your breathing in order to evaluate your health. Now to do this, you need to use the stopwatch, which is provided in the video below. Now, a few things to keep in mind. The Buteyko Breathing Control Pause is a measurement of your breath hold time only. It is not an exercise to correct your breathing. Now, once you experience the first involuntary movements in your breathing muscles or in your throat, or the first physiological urge to breathe, do not continue to hold your breath any longer. If your first inhalation after the breath hold is big or audible or uncontrolled, it's likely that you've held your breath for too long. So for the most accurate results, measure your control pause first thing in the morning. Okay, so whenever you're ready, let's begin. Please just sit up at the edge of your chair, and your back should be straight. Just sit tall. Now don't change your breathing, just breathe naturally. And you're just going to take a normal breath in and out through your nose, and then pinch the nose with your fingers to hold your breath. You're going to time the number of seconds until you feel the first definite desire to breathe, or the first involuntary movements of your breathing muscles. Now, following the control pause, the first breath should be the same as prior to the measurement. And only hold your breath for as long as it feels comfortable. It should be easy and effortless. When you open your nose, you should have the same pattern and pace of breathing before you started measuring your control pause. Okay? Nice. So that is how to measure your control pause.